Vince. Granddad won't let you see that little arm come out too. Yeah, I can. Looky there. Didn't that do it? You did such a good job. He can roll over by himself now. What about it? What about it? What about it? Can you get that little elephant? Can you get it? Can you get it? Can you get it, huh? Can you get that little elephant? Huh? Can you get it? Ha. Ha. You got that trick to go again? Huh? Oh, looky there. Looky there. He can do it. He can do it. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Heidi. 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 Say, I can roll over now. Heidi. I can roll over now. Got any bubbles to blow? Yeah. What else? Anything else? Huh? Say, Granddaddy, I love you. See you tomorrow. Maybe. Yeah.